Yo, what's crack-a-lackin', guys? Crypto King's back to give you guys another update on the crypto market. What's happening, guys? Happy Sunday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's get right to this crazy, fucked up market right now. Jesus Christ, so much shit's happening. I mean, FTX has gone down. That's fucking done. That's kind of nuts. One of the biggest trading companies in the U.S., you know, sponsored by Tom Brady and all this stuff, had their own stadium in Florida. Fucking went under. Kind of crazy, you know, like who would have thought? Supposedly they mismanaged their money, doing some other inside trading. I'm not exactly sure the detail. I just watched a few videos, just found some things, but they fucked up, and the CEO fucked up, and feel bad for anybody who had money on FTX and was trading on it, you know, because damn, people lost a lot. But what concerns me though, guys, is that it's starting to snowball, guys. More and more big companies are starting to fall down. You know, like we just had Tether, then Voyager, now FTX. Like, Jesus Christ, you know. It's going to be more and more companies falling. So that's the worry that I got. So, you know, it might be, I'm going to tell you guys right now, it might be a smart time to maybe take your money off exchanges. You know, if you have crypto coin, maybe put it in a cold wallet, you know, or just change it to fiat and just send it to your bank or something, you know, because things are going to get uglier. I mean, things have been getting ugly all year, but I think this is going to get uglier. That's what everything is pointing. I told you guys, man, Bitcoin at 8K. When Bitcoin drops to 8K, that's what's going to happen is, like, it's not going to be the only thing that drops to 8K. Stock market is going to drop even further down to my market at 3,200, 32 something. That's where I have it at. And everything is going to fucking collapse, guys. Like, you know, stock market, everything is going to fucking just drop like a motherfucker. Economy is going to really be horrific looking. All right, but I still feel like it's going to happen. I'm sorry to say, but it's going to happen. So, great time to, you know, save some cash, save some fiat, and just wait, just hold. That's why I said don't buy anything. That's why I didn't say anything, buy anything this whole year. I never told anybody to buy anything. You know, I said if you wanted, you could short. At certain times when I saw there was a pump coming, I was like, hey, you want to buy and sell it, you know, really quickly? That's a good point. That's a good time too. But I never said to buy this whole year, you know. So, just letting you guys know, man. And the worst is yet to come, unfortunately. The bottom is not in, and the worst is yet to come. So, it's just bad news, guys. It can happen. It can start this week. Looks like the DXY looking at the pump again right now. Looks like about the pump again. If that happens, then guess what? Bitcoin stock market will fall. It'll happen this week. Let's get right to the charts. What I'm talking about, right? Let's get enough of this jibber jabbering. Let's get right to it. Right this. Okay, DXY, guys. Look at that bitch. It's at fucking 107. Came down below this purple mark, which I thought it could bounce at because it bounced at it before. See that? Before, previous. But below it, which is good news. So that means it could possibly go down some more. But I told you guys also the DXY, when it goes down like significantly in the past, it likes to pump up significantly also. Okay, it's done that so many times. Actually, this whole fucking year, even last year. I've been charting this shit for so fucking long. Look, it'll come down. See, look, I'll break the wedge all the way down here. You think it's gonna come down, then all of a sudden this. Past his fucking previous peak, then come back down below it again and dance here, and then fucking on its way up. So DXY is very, very tricky. So I think it's doing something similar to that again, possibly. You know, come down here, break down low, come all the way back up, hit this peak again, and just kind of go sideways here for a little bit, making the stock market and Bitcoin continue to go down. I still think we've been crashing all year, but I think there's more to go. Okay, stock market had a recent pump recently, which is nice. But I think it gets rejected here, guys. It looks like it already did this Friday. Tomorrow, Monday, we'll find out what's going to do. If it's going to continue to go up, come back, retest it, then that's good news. However, it gets rejected here and continues to go down. Guess what? That's bad news. That means that was the peak, and it's going to be more downside from there. And it can drop. When it drops, guys, it can drop really heavily. I see it possibly coming all the way down over here to 3,200. Like I said, 3,200. This is where I have it on. I've been having that market for a long time. I've told you guys that for months. Why? Because look, this is where it hopped off before. Beginning of COVID, right here. COVID, bang, came back up, bang, came back, retested this line right 3,200. Bull market, bull run. Now back down. I can see it come back and retest that same place where it, you know, bounced off from 3,200. So if it drops from where it's at now, from 39 to 3,200. Oh my God, guys, that's a big drop. Expect all the other stocks, big stocks, small stocks, all going to drop significantly. And Bitcoin too, because we follow stock market. We follow fucking S&P, which I've been telling you guys for a long time. You know what's funny? I just saw fucking Alex Becker's video recently. He said the same thing that I've been saying for this whole year, probably since last year. And I said the S&P 500 DXY determines where we're gonna move. And I just saw his video recently. I haven't watched him in months, and I decided to watch him again. He said the same thing. He was like, "Hey, it's all about the S&P 500. If that moves, then we'll move. If it does move, then we will move." I'm like, haven't I been saying that all fucking year? I want to be seeing one of my videos secretly. Maybe not. Who knows? But y'all know, been following me. Y'all been saying it all year. Okay, I know it's dying. Anyways, guys, so let's get right to Bitcoin. And he had this whole video saying he knows where the bottom of Bitcoin is, yet he never once stated where the bottom was. He was just like, we'll just wait till the S&P bottoms, and that's where the bottom of Bitcoin is. I'm telling you guys where I think the bottom is. Right down there. Right down this bitch right here. Around 8,000 to 9,000. All depends where it hits, okay? If it hits somewhere in January, it could be 8,300. Okay, if it's in February, it could be fucking 8,400. I don't know when it's going to hit. Eventually, where it's going to hit bottom. But when it does, from 8,000 to 9,000 is the bottom. I've been saying that. I got 2 markers saying that. Okay, 2 markers. This teal line right here, you know, it bang, bang. It broke below that wedge. That's the same length I got from here to here. So, you know, you put it below that fucking wedge, almost 90% of the time it plays out and it goes down to there, especially since it broke out of there. And the other one is this giant red line right there that goes all the way back to the beginning. Look at that, the beginning of 2017 bull run. See that? Touch that line, bang. That was the bottom of it before it fucking went off. And then came back down, touched that line again. Ooh, look at that, 19. Went off again. 2019 came back again. 2020, March, boom, touched that line again. Went past it, actually. And then decided to go all the way up there to fucking 63, 69,000. See? So, guess what? Every time it's hit a peak before the past, what's it done? It touched that fucking red line. Well, guess what, guys? We hit a new peak. Looks like it's going back to that red line. Where's that red line at? About 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000. What I've been telling you guys for fucking all year long. Jesus. I swear, one of these guys is going to see my video and start and take my fucking... Take my call, whatever, but whatever. You know, those who follow me, y'all know who you heard it first. So look, Bitcoin goes 8,000 from here. That's about a 50-60% drop, guys. Around 50%. Guess what? Everything else is gonna drop another 50%. Ethereum will be around 600. Cardano will be around fucking 15 cents. XRP around 15 cents, 20 cents. Okay, Solana will be about $7. Crow will be at 3 cents. They're all gonna drop. Okay, they're all gonna fucking drop. And with FTX happening, with all these other fucking exchange happening, guess what? It's gonna be a snowball effect, guys. Oh shit, it's gonna be a snowball effect. FTX is gonna drop. Other ones that are, related to STX is gonna fucking drop too. Solana right now is very in trouble because they're really high, really related to FTX. So crazy, Solana, one of the best coins. Who would have thought? So shit is going crazy, and we have not seen the bottom. So just brace with it. We can go down some more this week. I'm thinking we might actually, because DXY looks like it wants a pump, so that means we're gonna dump. All right. That's my news. So hope you guys liked it. If you guys found this helpful, please give me a like. Takes 2 seconds. Click the like button. Thank you guys. Click it. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, turn your notification on, because I'm gonna give you guys updates on Bitcoin, crypto, and the market every single day. This crazy crashing market. You want to keep up with the news? Tune in with the King. I'll tell you guys what's happening and where it's gonna go and what's the next move and all that jazz. Okay. That's it, guys. Till next time. Crypto King is tired. I'm out. Peace.